Alrighty, so video time. Notice that your decimal point is there and there. So any number to the right of it, we need to account for. The 5, the 6, and the 1. When we get our answer, we need to move our decimal place just that much. 1, 2, 3 spot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's go ahead and multiply. 1 times 6, 1 times 5, 2, and 1. I like changing my colors. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 5, 10, 11. 2 times 4, 5. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, so you're going to add them. 6 and 0 make a 6. 5 and 2 make a 7. 2 and 1 make a 3. 1 and 5 make a 6. 2. But remember, we did have those 3 numbers that we have after our decimal point. So we need to take this point 0, and we need to, of course, move it 1, 2, 3 times to give us our final answer of that. Here, this is the one we need to make a whole number. In order to do that, we move it once, which forces this to do the exact same. Bring our decimal place up. And now you have a 78. I'm going to make that a 78 because I don't like the 7.8. It looks weird. Okay, so we're going to make that a 78. Now, that's not really there. 78 into 3, 0 times. That's important that you put it right there. If you put it anywhere else, you're not going to be right. 78 into 31. 78 into 312. Well, that's where our work begins. I'm going to try 4. And because this is the 7th time I've done this today, I know that it works. 4. 4 times 78 gives you that 312. Clean that up just a little bit. You don't actually need that 0, but it kept everything where it needed to be. Okay. So here, remember you have to change your to a 4 and a 5. So of course I messed that up and it was great. Change your 5-4 to a 4-5. Sorry, dyslexia. It happens to the best of us. And match those with these using this information. So what that says is if you have in this order a 2, 4, 5 multiplied by a 7, 2, and a 3. Those will make the digits 1, 7, 7, 1, 3, 5. Okay. And you see that all through here. 2, 4, 5 times 7, 2, 3. 2, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3. 2, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3. 2, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3. All through there. The only thing that has changed is I've gone through and I've put little decimal places. Boy, I better not miss that. Wherever I want them to be, right? So, that's where our work begins. Okay. All of these answers, if there were no decimal places, would be 177,135.0. However, it looks like they've all moved a different amount. So that's after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go ahead and match them up here. So 2.45, I see this one and this one. 723, there's nothing, so I need to move 2 spots. 2 spots would be this line. So that now changes to a 1771.35, which is A. This guy has the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. So now I need to figure out if I were to move that 4 spots, 17.7135. It's going to get you a B. You got one here. So your one line would be there. That's 17713.5 down here on C. Okay. This has 1, 2, 3. Wow, 0 point. Oh my gosh, the 2, 4, and 5. Still nothing there, so 3 would be where? There. D. Last one would be E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.77135. So the digits don't change. It's just wherever that decimal ends up. How far did it move? And that's you just match them up. Okay, so that one should be the easiest one on the entire test. That problem right there. Number 4. Really, the work here is that you just need to understand that these are two different things, right? One of them is a improper, one of them is a proper. This value on a number line would be between 0 and 1. This would be more than 1, right? And I always think about it as students, classes, and groups. So we have a class of 40 students, and the teacher, who is blue, says, make groups of 9, okay? And they go and they do that. So those 40 kids, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. Yeah, poopy. 18, 27, 36 of them. Okay. But, there's of course there's got to be these 4. Great. So those 4, they're like, well, what do we do? Right? I don't know, are we a group of 4? Always happens. So that looks much better written like this. All right. 9 divided by 40.
For an interruption of the following students, please come to the office. Hunter Adams, Brady Catherman, Aiden Carell, Josiah Davis.
Amanda, I'm not re-recording this video. That's just gonna have to be there, all right? I'm sorry. It's like the 3rd time I'm recording this. All right? So that's funny. So this 4 out of 9 right here, all right? That, if it were to make a whole group, it would have been 5. It didn't make a whole group, so that remainder is just that, that 5th group, 4 out of 9 people. 9 out of 40, that would look like this. And we haven't learned how to do that yet, and we will, but, that's 0 point something, right? Check it on a calculator if you don't agree. Okay. So, mixed number to improper. Okay. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2. Multiply. Add. Multiply. Add. Multiply. Add. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Over 4. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 over 2. 1 times 7, 7 plus 3, 10 over 7. Check mark technique.